Chapter 24, Satisfaction Survey. To ensure service quality, we will configure the Satisfaction Survey. Go to the Request Manager module and navigate to the main panel. Click on the Settings icon and select the option, Configure Satisfaction Survey. You will see 3 predefined questions provided by the system. If you want to customize them, simply check the box of the question you wish to modify. This will enable the text field so you can edit it freely. Once you are satisfied with the wording, save the changes. That's it. The satisfaction survey process is now active. Once the technician closes the work order in the SVISION module, the system will automatically trigger the satisfaction survey for the user who submitted the report. To evaluate the service, the requester must go to the Request module and select the completed request. By clicking the Accept button, the rating options will be displayed. Here, you can evaluate the quality of the service by selecting one of the 3 levels. The system also allows you to leave a brief comment about the technical performance and rate the 3 questions previously configured by the administrator. Once finished, click Accept. At that moment, your survey will be recorded, the button will be automatically disabled, and the process will be completed. This ensures the process is definitively and successfully closed, preventing duplicate entries. In the Request Manager module, the maintenance administrator can now click on the Satisfaction button. Here, the system will generate charts based on the received evaluations. With these metrics, the administrator can analyze the performance of each completed job, helping identify areas for improvement and maintain service quality standards.